Getting to the money, everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money.
What's up, YouTube and Wise Nation? It's your boy Shannon the Wise here with another unboxing. I got a special one for y'all. Just something, everybody can't touch, everybody can't get. Y'all done seen it somewhere already, I'm sure, if y'all into this type of thing. But look, I'm just a regular dude, you know what I'm saying? I got the luck of the draw. So I feel like I'm going to show y'all this. So, for all my Wise Nation affiliates, man, welcome back. Welcome back. Man, welcome back. You hear me? And for all y'all cruising through YouTube, don't have no YouTube home, man, look. I want to welcome y'all with a Wise Nation salute. Come join the movement. But without further ado, we're going to get to what this video about. Y'all see the title. Y'all see what it is. Boom. There it is. You see what the box say? Just do it. You hear me? So we about to just do it. So now let's get that old handy dandy box to open a upper. And let's see what's inside that thing. Alright. Y'all see? The Nike and the PG logo. You hear me? Get that out of here. Ps5. Y'all see that? Y'all, no cap. Authentic, baby. This ain't no knockoffs, you feel me? Authentic. So now, let's see what it look like when we open the box. Y'all can see it first. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I'm looking through my viewfinder. I ain't even looking at it. We about to see. Woo-hoo-hoo. But I say, look at that thing. You hear me? I think they could have did a little better with the shoestrings. Like, it'll be fire if the little tinsels. You feel me? Cause look, in the midsole, if y'all see close, if they focus on it, y'all can see it got all the, the PlayStation button patterns, like the controller, and on the back, you know what I'm saying? They got the little PG5 on the back of that. This the one with the Ps5 logo on it. I'm assuming the PG logo, my bad. I'm assuming one got the PS5 logo on it. The PlayStation logo, yeah. Here you go. Boom. PlayStation logo. There you go. Right there. Look at that on the side. PS5, baby. Nike. You hear me? Now look, right now, I ain't gonna even lie, no cap. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these things yet. You feel me? Because, these are collector's items. So, I might just let them sit up for the summer and see what the market is for them. Because I got some more stuff coming down the pipeline, you hear me? But y'all see these things, right? Y'all see them? You see them. You hear me? You see them. You hear me? PG5, PS5, baby. Perfect collab. Nah. I know this was a quick video. Like I said, I ain't gonna put no on feet video. like I say, what would be a little better if they would have had the little PlayStation, the little, you know, the little symbols, the square, the X, the triangle, and stuff like they got in the midsole and the back. You know what I'm saying? That'll be fire. But they straight. But if they had that on there, on the tinsel leaves, you know, like, and they would have had like a little silver cap on the tinsel leaf with the little accents in them, or they could have just been glossy blue or white, you know, to go with the shoe. But it is what it is. Like, these shoes really not that expensive, but you know, shit, they limited. 120 ain't that bad, so you know, shit, cop them for 130, they to your door. Can't go to the store to get these motherfuckers. Yeah. So if I do step out in them, the likelihood of somebody else having them, it ain't that likely. But y'all already know what it is, man. If y'all like that video, man, y'all want to see some more unboxings of some shoes, some clothes. If y'all have something y'all want to throw out there, you know, y'all let me know. Put something in the comments below, man. Let's make this channel grow, man. But without further ado, man, I love y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, y'all bang, bang, bang that like button. You hear me? Hey. And if you ain't got no YouTube home, man, y'all bang that subscribe button. Come join the Wise Nation. Be a part of the movement, man. Shannon the Wise, baby. I love y'all. I'm out.